Today we talk about how can you disable hide my profile on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, approve your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on profile, just click on profile here. So you come to, when you click on profile, you come to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to hide my profile, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean hide my profile, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.